Okay. So today we'll do a bit of uh wireless. So remember this chapter, this called so you can hear me properly, you can see my screen, eh? Okay, so
Yes, sir. Everything is okay now.
okay, thank you so much. So remember CCNA2 is mostly about the switch. We did a lot with switch, even with security of the switch. We did VLAN, inter-VLAN routing, um, the election, the STP, effect channel, how to combine a lot of physical port in one logical port. Uh, then we did a bit of routing, uh, how to combine two routers to become one virtual router. And yeah, now we do a bit of wireless. So this, we have two chapters, chapter 12 and chapter 13. And it's mostly some videos in EtherCAD where we do some demo. Where we do some demo. By our side, we will play around with something like that. We'll we'll use packet tracer. I'll show you some few theory. Then anything else will be in EtherCAD video demo. So for us, we'll do a basic Wi-Fi design, a basic. So we click on network devices. It's here, network devices. When you click on it, because we are doing wireless, we go to wireless here, devices, we click on it. We select one Wi-Fi router. We bring some, let's say PC, a laptop, can bring a PC. I can bring a tablet if I want to. And because I'm using wireless, if I was using network cables, each each device should get a network interface card. But with wireless, everyone needs wireless interface card. Wireless LAN or WLAN. You see? So all the devices we need a network interface card, but wireless network interface card. Sorry. Then we go to a laptop here. We open the laptop, we zoom in, and we have a normal network interface card for the network cables. We power off, we remove that card, then we need to install a wireless interface card. See WPC, W for wireless, you bring it in, you power on, then we close. We go to a PC, we zoom in, we power off, we go down, we remove the normal network interface card for network cables, we bring a wireless one, we power on, and we close. And you could see that everyone now is connected. So we can ping to each other because we belong to the same network here. So what we'll study step by step, we'll see when if you open the router, we can do some settings. We have many type of settings. That's why chapter 12 and 13, Cisco will do some videos, how to do some example of settings. So it depends on what you want to do. So I'll show you one or two. Uh, you zoom in, you go to a GUI, UEI and graphical user interface. You click on it, and you can see here you have some menu setup. You have setup, wireless, security, access restrictions, applications and gaming, administration, status. Mm. So you can play around with, and you take your time. You in status, you stay here, you read to get familiar. After that, you go to administration. So in the NetAccount, there is a video where we do that. If you want to change your password, the router access password, uh, like your cell phone password, you can change it here. Web access, you read, play around with. Want remote access, you can enable. See, you take your time to read all these things. Then you go to application and gaming. Yes. So you take your time, you read access access restrictions. So familiarize yourself. Also in the videos, or anything you change, don't forget to go down the last page and save. If you don't save, all any changes you made will not work. Can go to security and wireless. So for wireless here, we have 2.4 gig. So it's like the speed of the cars. We have 1.0 liter, we have 2.0, 2.5. The power of engine, it's the same like here. So here we are using the standard one. It's up to you. You can change the way you want according to what your manager. If you work for MTN or Telcom or Vodacom, yeah, they'll train you a lot on these ones. But at least you must get CCNA. It's not now we need to explain what is the IP address, what is class A, B, C, what is DHCP. No, we don't have time for that. We assume that you know. Now we teach you about how the product works, how to test and set up for the client. Yeah, so we'll train you. Okay, for us, we are using the 5G because of ABCD. And wireless also, we have something called SSID broadcast. The SSID is your wireless network name, the name of your wireless network. For example, if I go to my PC at the bottom, right, I click on wireless, and I click the arrow, you see a lot of Wi-Fi names. These names are networks. Mine, for my home, anyone who wants to connect Wi-Fi must connect to that name, to that network. You can also see the strength of the signal. It's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 strong bars. Here it's 2 bars. So it depends. So these are some names of some networks. So these names are called SSID. It's something that you should know. So here you see the name is default. That's why by default, all these guys we are connected. Normally, if I change, I put CCNA. After that, I change something. What should I do? I go down and I save. If you don't save, I close. With packet tracer, sometimes it doesn't work, but because I change, we should lose connection. So let's open a PC, this laptop. I go to desktop. I go to PC wireless. A bit slow on my slide. Yeah. So now here you can see some properties on the Wi-Fi card. You see the Wi-Fi card in my PC. See, you have successfully connected to the access point. We'll see also what is a access point. We also see what is the infrastructure mode. So if I click, so this one is the link information. And here we are using 2.4 gigahertz. So it's up to you. The strength of a signal, everything is very good. Then you can also click, on more information and to get more. It's small and I cannot read it properly. Yeah, so from here you can see your IP address, your default gateway, any other type of your MAC address, anything you want to know, you can check here for troubleshooting. If something doesn't work, you can come to make sure that everything is okay. After that, you can come to connect. You can also check, so take your time to play around. Uh, More info, you can go to statistics. Uh, you can save your profile or what. So please, Saturday, we're going to work a lot. We start at 9, we finish at 4 p.m. So bring food, drinks, what. We're going to work a lot. Anything you want us to do, normally you should send me the steps, what you want to do. We're going to go through all of them. If you say, Mr. Max, let's check a bit of wireless, we do a quick revision, we do some labs, packet tracer or something. Mr. Max, let's check again, for example, HSRP. Then we do a quick revision, we do some labs, I supervise. If you're struggling, I help you. And until we finish. So it's up to you. You tell me what you want, what you're struggling with, or what you didn't understand. It's your class. Then if you click on connect, you'll see also some information, wireless mode, and we're going to check all these things. And everything is also explained in NetAcad. So here you have default, the default settings, we default, and you have a CCNA. Why they're all connected with CCNA? Because the signal is very strong. You see. You can refresh. If you connect to the default, I'm going to select the default SSID, the default name for the, if you say connect, and I close. So if you change the name, normally it should not work. But here, because it's packet tracer, it's a kind of software. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But in real life, if you change your name, it won't work. PC wireless. If someone want to connect, let me see. Admit. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how wireless works. We have new words, new vocabularies that we'll do step by step. We do step by step. You also have connect, where you'll see all the names, the SSIDs, and you can change if you want to. This is for us that report. This signal is very strong. That's why it's connected there. But we can change the settings. We can go to a piece and change everything. You can go to profile, and you'll see also some information. That's why when you have CCNA, you can work in any department in IT. We just need to train you a week extra, then you are ready to go. Because you know the routers, you know the switch, you know wireless, you know security, you know a lot of stuff. So you can work at Vodacom. In fact, if we need people like that. Me, I did work for my second job in South Africa. It was for AT&T. AT&T is like telecom for America. They're everywhere in the world. So it was also an internet service provider. So when I told them I have CCNA, CCNA, okay, come here quick. And they trained me on their product. You see, we don't have time to explain to you what is default gateway, what is I. No. They explain between on what. Okay, this product, this is how it works. This is how you need to troubleshoot for clients if they call you. This product, and see, because they assume that you understand IT, the language of IT. One sec, let me connect my charger. Okay. So me, because I forgot my Wi-Fi password, I could have shown you. If I come here, if I want to get inside my Wi-Fi, I think it's 192, 168. Is it 101? No, mine should be 1.8, I think. 192.168.1. Is it? No, that's 0.8. No. I need to read on my router. So at the bottom, they write to access inside my router to make some changes. This is the IP address. Why this one is not? Let me check here. Um, 1 second. Let me check under my router so that I can do a demo for you. 1 sec. Checking. Mm-hmm. It's a 0.1 HTTPS 0.1. Okay. Okay. So my router say if I need to go to HTTPS, so I come here, HTTPS 192.168.0.1. I press enter. Not private, advanced, continue. Yeah, so this is my rain. Get started. What's that? Yeah, so here you can see that I could get some information about my router. This is my SSID, my Wi-Fi name. I can change the name if I want to, but I leave it like that. This is my Wi-Fi password. I can change it to go to the web. These are some information. I can click save. Got it. Yeah, got it.
I think Mr. Max went offline.
He said he said
I,
he's connecting, so it was off and
I know what
to
he's
show
doing.
us
When he tried that, it can kick you out because he's working on his
it's
own network. I did that last time on my network, and also I went offline.
okay. Let's be patient.
Yeah.
But if you have a password, if you still remember password, you can still log in.
Yeah, you can log in, but when you are working on your own network, which you are connecting to, you can go off.
Okay, sorry guys, just because I was manipulating my Wi-Fi, so it got me this apologies for that. Okay, we continue. Please mute yourself as I believe, guys. Mute yourself. Okay, so we continue. You can hear me. You can see my screen. Yeah, so I just did a short demo. So we have a lot of new words that we need to practice with. Yeah. So today we'll do a bit because chapter 12 and 13 we are the same. So even if we don't finish today, Thursday, Monday, we continue. We continue. We combine chapter 12 and 13. It's only some videos. I just need to guide you with some what is the most to know. So if you go to CCNA2, we go down. We go down, down, down. Okay, yeah. Land security concept, we did. Okay, wireless concept. So we have different type of networks. We have a personal and short range. Everything is about to be range, 6 to 9 meters. Wi-Fi is called wireless LAN or Wi-Fi. It covers until 100 meters. The wireless personal one is also with Bluetooth. You see here, it covers maximum 10 meters. If your wireless is covering 100 meters, we call it wireless LAN or Wi-Fi. If it's covering a city, we call it a wireless wireless man. And if it's a town, so let's say a country or a continent, like Starlink, we say it's a wireless WAN. Then some technologies, we have Bluetooth. Bluetooth is maximum 10 meters. So it's not 100, it's 10 meters. Wi-Fi or wireless LAN is 100 meters. And yeah, with technologies, with standards, with rules to manage Wi-Fi is the standard. Very important to know. We ask a lot for job interviews and for exams. The standard is what? It's a set of rules how to organize and make Wi-Fi work for everyone. You must agree. See, and we have a lot of standards here according to the rate, with speed. If you use 082.11a, it's 5 gig. So if your frequency is 5 gig, like here, so in our case here, we go to connect, link information. We see here, our network interface card support 2.4 gig, you see. Then you come down here, 2.4 gig. It can be V standard, 11B or 11G, you see. So it's up to the manufacturer. So before you buy a Wi-Fi interface card, it will tell you this card supports. If I can tap Wi-Fi, I hope I won't get disconnected again. I think there is someone want to connect. Let's see. So if you tap Wi-Fi, so we have a lot to cover. So we'll go step by step. Next week, Tuesday, we'll finish. Wi-Fi settings. You click here. I didn't see temporary file. I see Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi settings. What's this guy? Bluetooth and this laptop of mine. The Wi-Fi settings. Now it's here. Then it will show a lot of info. Hardware properties. You see? So from here, I can see a lot of information about my Wi-Fi settings. My SSID, the name of my network that I'm connected to is this guy. Protocol Wi-Fi 5 or 8.0.11 AC. 11 AC. 11 AC is where 11 AC is 5 gig, and this is the speed. Each standard has a speed, you see. Dot 11 only is 2 meg, but mine, it can go up to 450 meg or even 1 gig with speed. You see.
Sorry, Mr. Max.
Yes.
Fabian, I want to ask a question. My first question: who determines the speed of a network from the settings that you have made? Are you able to change the speed, or maybe it's just a service provider to determine the package that you want? And secondly, how did you troubleshoot when you were working on your Wi-Fi router? How did you troubleshoot it to come back? Or you just put a pin, or maybe there's other thing that you have done?
Okay, so for the speed and all that, it's your ISP. When you go to choose your package, we say, okay, if you want to pay 200 Rand per month, this is what you can get. And we give you your device according to your package. Mine, I'm paying 1,000 Rand per month. I took the highest. Why? Because I used to teach. If I tap rain packages, if I go to rain, rain. So it depends on the package, you see. If you take 6, so yeah. Home Wi-Fi, Explore. Let me check here. So you have for 679. You have also, if you this one, I'm paying for this one. So here I have more speed, more what. And if I'm stuck, I can call them automatically. They help me quickly. We drop anyone else, we help me quickly. Unlimited speed. But here you have until 30 meg. So in the package, and before you buy, we explain everything. And if you're happy, then you subscribe. Now to troubleshoot Wi-Fi, it depends on the issue. First thing first, it's the SSID. For example, here, are you connected to a normal SSID or the Wi-Fi network? This is my neighbor, Jafta. If I want to connect, it's going to ask me for username and password. So if you're not allowed to connect, you need a username and password. So if you're allowed to connect, maybe your username is wrong or your password is wrong. You must make sure that you fix. You can also check, is your Wi-Fi your Wi-Fi interface card, is it active or disabled? If I tap network, view network connections. So you see Wi-Fi, you can disconnect it. If you disconnect it, you won't get access to Wi-Fi. You see, so you can come here to check if I right click, you see I can disable it and I can connect or disconnect. So maybe your client guy or the guy you want to help, his network interface guy is disconnected or it doesn't exist at all. I remember, is it a patient now? Patient, when we started, his laptop couldn't
Yeah,
access
it's me,
Wi-Fi.
yes.
Yeah. So I had to check his laptop name, go to download the drivers for his laptop, install to activate his Wi-Fi. You see. So to troubleshoot, there are many 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 there are many ways.
So my question is
Yes.
on the troubleshooting. My question is, what you were working on your router and then you were kicked out. So how did you come back? That was my question on this second question.
You know, you just need to reconnect. For example, for the Google Meet meeting, you come back, you reconnect. So here, for example, you come back to the Wi-Fi. You see here, it means my Wi-Fi is activated. I can disconnect it. If you right click, you can also, you see, if you right click, can see also other stuff, you see. So you come here, you select the correct name and you click connect. That's all. And you'll be connected. So there are many ways, there are many type of issues. So yeah, you'll make it, no worries. It's by experience. The more you get issues, this is how we fix. This is how we fix. It's not only one day, no. But at least it's good to have a training to know the names, what's happening, so that at least you have more power to. So make sure the network interface card is installed. Make sure the drivers are installed and activated. Make sure the SSID is valid. Make sure you are allowed to connect to that SSID. For example, if I go in some companies, you will see, this is, for example, for our building. Am I allowed to connect to the free building? No, because we have one ISP for the whole building of the whole complex. If you're a client, you can log on. But me, I'm not client, I'm Rain. So if I click here, we're going to ask you for username and password. If I click on it, we'll get disconnected again. So it depends. For troubleshooting, there are many, you need to make sure that you have a network interface card for Wi-Fi, latest drivers. For example, if I go to Dell Wi-Fi drivers are up to date Wi-Fi drivers. So you go to the PC name, see, drivers download, you click here. You're going to ask me a lot of stuff. You're going to check for my product. I don't have time for that. Let me go back. Remind me to show you that on Saturday. You can go straight here. And here, looks like it's old, 2015. So let me go back to choose the first one. Let me check if I can find my MAC address. I tap CMD BIOS. Let me check if it's working. BIOS get serial. No, BIOS remake get. This command you should know as an IT technician or network engineer. What is the command you can type to view your serial number? Get serial number. Press enter. Okay, so my system doesn't accept that, but normally in any PCs you can type that. You can even go to Google and type CMD view serial serial number. You press enter. You see here, we make BIOS get serial number. So from some system it works, from some system it doesn't work. We always do some research. We also some videos.
I believe Mr. Max is disconnected again, eh? Engineer Fabian,
Yes, yes, engineer.
I think Mr. Max is disconnected for good, eh?
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Let's see if he will come back.
Yeah, let's wait a little bit because I felt quiet. Seems like everyone disconnected.
maybe maybe Ren is trying to penalize him for making some changes, maybe. But I don't think he made some changes. He didn't save anything.
Yeah, I think the funny thing now, I thought I'm the only one that is alive here. Everyone is dead. I just wanted to check on to know if everyone is still there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We're just waiting on him. See if he's not gonna come back.
Guys, you must all support Mr. Max, please.
How do you support him?
You must all support him, please.
Oh, we hotspot him. No, we hotspot him on Saturday.
Burning questions. He will be disturbed Saturday. He's gonna be very busy.
Yeah, we can hotspot him.
Yeah, let's give him some minutes. Let's wait. I think he's really, I don't know what he's doing there, but I think he's struggling there maybe.
The network today is,
Mm.
but he's using the high speed one, but I don't know what's going. Sometimes he has a problem.
He's using rain.
Yeah, then.
I think rain is always have a little bit of problem, eh? Usually. I was using rain too and it's a little bit up and down.
But he uses 5G, but I don't know why I think it's giving him a problem like that.
Yeah. Let's give him a chance again.
Okay, okay.
Thanks, engineer.
tikisana tu tumona mali bubu wa mnene mai tu manasema belewana kama wakangelo